I was looking for some answers for symptoms that I've been having, knowing that there aren't answers for everything, but maybe thinking, well, there must be something that's going to help. I think everybody, every woman, whether they're menopausal or not, once they get to sort of our age, I think probably, should come to menopause boot camp, to be honest. I think everyone will get something out of it. For me, I can't take HRT. I'm on estrogen blockers. HRT helped me a little bit when I was on it, but I still would have needed, I think, menopause, well, definitely, I shouldn't say I think, menopause boot camp would help with the tools that you've got, not only mentally but physically. And I think it's so important for the exercise side of things for our bones so we don't get osteoporosis, the yoga stuff for stretching, Pilates for our core, mental side of things, definitely. You know, I suffer with brain fog, forgetfulness nowadays, and also loss of confidence, I think, over the, stopping estrogen. I've always been a little bit sort of anxious at times, but yeah, I think menopause, this camp, the different talks, the different things that we've been through, the group that we've been with, sharing stories, knowing you're not on your own, knowing you're not the only one going through different symptoms. Everybody's completely different, but we're all the same, and nobody's judging anybody, nobody's looking at each other for, she's good at this or he, whatever. I've been to boot camp before, so I knew what was going to happen with the physical side of boot camp, and I've always enjoyed that. The highlight for me were the talks that PAULA did. PAULA's talks around positivity, intention setting, journal writing, all of that stuff. I've learned from this week that I've got to slow down, take time to actually put into place the things that we've discussed and actually do them. I haven't had a problem with food, and I've always been tried to keep myself fairly fit. But I think I go and don't necessarily give myself time to stop and do the self-care sort of side of things, of life. I think you just push that to one side and get on with life. And I think, especially as you get older as well. I've got friends that I'm desperate to come, and they're worried about coming, and I will crack them eventually, and they will come. Whether I'm there or not, it might be better that I'm not, but I think it will change their life. It's a big family, whether it's the trainers, whether it's the kitchen staff, whether it's like coming home, it's my little happy place, this is one of my little happy places. I mean, we've had people here this week that have been a bit worried about, oh, I can't do that. And I'm like, look, I've been here before, don't worry about any of it. Nobody's looking at anybody else. They're all doing their own thing, but actually, they're even more supportive of somebody who can't do, a certain exercise, or, I will come again and I will do another menopause week. It's already booked anyway. So you've got your yoga in the morning, which I absolutely love, getting up and doing the yoga in the morning. You've got your talks around self-care, positivity, all sharing our experiences of menopause symptoms. And again, everybody's different, but it doesn't matter. Everybody's been interested in each other, and the trainers as well have been you know, treated everybody, you know, all their, you know, catered for every need, I suppose, what I'm trying to say. You know, whether it be an injury or a worry about something, or, you know, I can't, you know, recommend it highly enough for absolute, you know, I think everyone should come, really.